Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth user experience review about this platform called Deluxe Corporation LLC. So let's get started with the user experience about this platform. Deluxe is mostly known for business check, marketing service, and incorporation assistance. Setting up an LLC through Deluxe is relatively smooth but feel a bit dated compared to a newer platform. Their onboarding involves a fair amount of paperwork and manual steps, and also customer support is responsive but not super fast. Good for business wanting additional service like logo design or a web hosting alongside incorporation, but not the fastest for pure LLC setup. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. This LLC platform and what you think, how they can help you, maximize your work. Thanks.